Google's new Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL phones are pure Google from top to bottom. They work the same except for the displays. 5.5-inch 1080p OLED without a notch, or 6.3-inch QHD OLED with one. Basic specs include Snapdragon 845 processors, 4 GB of RAM, and the latest Android 9.0 OS. You get some software features first with Pixels, like Duplex, which calls businesses for you and acts like a human assistant on the phone. There are two front cameras, one with a very wide angle, and the phone corrects fisheye distortion after you take a picture. There's still only one 12.2 megapixel main camera, but it has plenty of tricks, like inserting Iron Man into your photos. More usefully, the new camera has excellent low light performance, advanced HDR, and improved digital zoom. The phones come in 3 colors, black, white, and not pink. Pure Google doesn't seem to involve having a headphone jack anymore, but that was true about last year's Pixels too. The glass back has an unusual matte finish and allows for wireless charging. Sit the phone on the new Pixel Stand wireless charger, and it becomes a smart display and alarm clock. The new phones are available from Verizon, Google Fi, and Unlocked. The Pixel 3 costs $799 for 64 GB and $899 for 128 GB, while the Pixel 3 XL costs $899 for 64 GB and $999 for 128 GB.